In 1905, Lord Curzon announced to separate the predominantly Hindu western region from the primarily Muslim eastern region, created an irreparable divide. Families were torn apart, communities were shattered, and friendships were severed as people were uprooted from their homes and forced to migrate. Religious tensions escalated, making the situation even more volatile, and marking the beginning of communal clashes that would foreshadow the horrific events to come. As the partition took hold, the seeds of struggle were sown, paving the way for future movements and protests that would eventually lead to India's independence. Swedeshi movement and the boycott. The Partition of Bengal acted as a catalyst for the Swedeshi movement, harnessing the spirit of nationalism and resilience. Boycotts of British goods were widely embraced as a means to protest against the division imposed on Bengal. People took to the streets, staging rallies, and embracing indigenous products. The early seeds of independence were sown amidst the resistance. On the 16th of October, 1911, Bengal was officially reunited, marking a monumental achievement for the Indian freedom struggle and a testament to the power. Eastern Bengal and Assam were separated from the rest of Bengal, forming a new province with a Muslim majority. This strategic deunification was intended to create religious